Welcome to new Plasmakers video. My name is Tom, and in this episode I will talk about the mini press. I will share information how to build it and how to use it. Together with electric oven and compression molds, you can create objects from recycled plastic at home. So stay tuned and enjoy. The idea of plastic recycling with electric oven and press with KRIEGER is not my invention. In previous plastic videos I saw compression machine design. Concept is really simple. In an electric oven you can heat up plastic particles inside the mold. Once plastic is melted, you can press it and wait until it cools down. Mini press consists of four main parts: frame, upper plate, lower plate and scissor KRIEGER. This press is human-powered and does not require electricity. I made a download kit where you can find all files for machining for free as open source. In my case, I send DXF files for pressing plates to laser cutting company and buy steel raw material for the frame. Once your parts are ready, you need to assemble them and weld together. After frame welding, I send it to paint shop. Powder coating is reliable and looks great. Due to high temperatures of molds, I do not recommend to paint your pressing plates. For pressing plates, I use black dioxide coating, also called as blacking, which makes a tiny layer on surface to protect steel from rusting. The final stage is assembly. Drill holes into frame.
What a beat!
Make 2 and 4 threads for attachment of lower plate according to blueprints. Scissor jack, I use this type. You need to adjust the jack a little bit. Cut off this part. This is future connection point to the frame. And paint surface. Drill 2 holes 8.5 mm in the bottom. Based on my bad experience with original lever, I replace it with M10 bolt. If you won't skip this do-it-yourself process, you can also buy this machine online. Once you have your mini press ready to use, you can start with recycling plastic production. But don't forget, before pressing, you need to heat up your material first. For this, I use basic KIA oven, and the largest size I'm able to make is area of 37 x 37 cm. The biggest thickness we've tried with Plastlow was 2 cm. Usually, I make objects with thickness of 3 or 5 mm. On Plasmaker's Instagram, I post experiments and new updates about machines and products. If you want to receive plastic recycling tips, you can get the latest info there. One last thing, this design can be upgraded. You can add heating elements on pressing plates similar to big sheet press construction designed by Precious Plastic. You can replace scissor kajik with more powerful hydraulic one or create bigger frame. It depends only on your imagination. If you still have the time, you can also watch other how-to videos I made with this machine. Thanks!